So here are the final results. So for this particular project, I completely machine sanded the trunk lid and also the roof. The sides were already sanded by another shop, and I just didn't want to take a chance on running into any problems. So I just removed all their holograms, the sanding marks they left behind, and just all the random swirls and scratches. That is an LS3 in there, about 430, 440 horsepower. So next, this is going in to have all the glass put in, the windshield, the side glass, then all the trim. You see all the trim is off. That's why they wanted me to do the sanding and buffing now while the trim is off. So it's all been sanded and buffed. Trim goes back on. Then the interior is gonna go in. It's kind of barren in here right now, but it's on its way. And then when it's completely finished, they'll bring it back. I will repolish it, because in the process of putting the glass in, the trim on, putting the hood on, it'll probably get some minor scuffing, some marring here and there. No big deal, I can take it all back out again. Anyway, real quickly, here's everything I use. So for sanding, the 3D sanding system, P1500, P2500, 6-inch and 3-inch. That's the 3D 5mm brushless electric sander. That's the Flex Pixie. This has the the 6mm drive unit. Flex made this specifically for me for sanding. It works great for paint correction, better than the 3 and the 12. Then for the compounding, we use the 3D 510. I use speed as my polish, just so it would remove any holograms left by the fibers of the wool pad, but also leave it, protected until it comes back. And then I coated the entire car with 3D Beat It Up. And of course, used the original Flex Beast. You can tell by the cast aluminum, sand cast aluminum head here. So the PE14, the Beast, Pixie, and the 3D 5mm sander. So 4 different tools, 3 basic products, and this thing looks good. It came out really nice. Owner's already seen it, loves it. It is getting different wheels, some custom-made wheels just for this car. They will be down here next week, and I will go over how to prep and ceramic coat the wheels. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember, you can get all the products you saw me using, including the pads and the tools, at 3dproducts.com.